everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox avatar or items not loading. If your avatar or items aren't showing, first go ahead and refresh your game by leaving and rejoining. After that, switch networks, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues, and also make sure you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly, and make sure your app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for Roblox and update it, as outdated versions often fail to load assets. Then clear your cache on Android or offload and reinstall on iPhone. Go to settings on iPhone storage, click on Roblox and then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Once synced, your avatar and items should appear correctly. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.